Let us understand the step-by-step process of executing a labor promotion entry in StrategicERP. Navigate to the promotion form under the Labor Management module. Select the promotion date and the name of company. Select the card number. Data will be fetched from the master's form. The labor name, project name and reporting manager will be auto-fetched based on the selected card number. Select the salary start date. Role details will be fetched from the master's form. Select the new department, new designation and new grade for the labor. Under the salary details tab, enter the revised rate per day, overtime rate, height allowance and house rent allowance. The incremental rate per day, overtime rate, height allowance and house rent allowance will be automatically calculated based on the entries made. You can view the promotion details under the Promotion History tab. Under the Salary Details tab, enter remarks if any. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. The process of executing labor promotion entry is now complete.